everybody! Today we're going to learn how to count with numbers and quantities. What is quantity? Quantity is the amount of something. So for example, take your fingers. For your fingers you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So the amount of my fingers is 5. And now we're going to use some different things in our classroom to figure out how to count and what the number symbols, like this, correlates with the amount of something. So, for example, I have one green triangle. In my next group, I have 1, 2 snap cubes. So now I have 2. In my next group, I have 1, 2, 3 yellow squares. How do I know how much is in that group? How do I know that it's 3? The reason why that I know that it's 3 is that when I count 1, 2, 3, 3 is the last number name that I say. So again, in our next group, we have blue squares. These squares are our base 10 units. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 was the last number name that I said, there's 4 blue squares in this pile. In the next pile, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last number name that I said was 5. That's just like our fingers. So there's 5 yellow, red circles in this pile. In our last pile, we have squares, or not squares, circles of different colors. We have 1 green, 2 yellow, 3 pink, 4 purple, 5 green, 6 red. Why did I point out the colors? The reason why I pointed out the colors is that no matter what the objects look like, it's the amount of that you're actually counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Regardless of their color, I counted 6 circles. Therefore, there's 6 in this pile. So, in our next example, we had 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a correlation or a connection in the fact that when you count, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and instead of just counting, this time we're counting objects. So there's an amount going along with the number name and number symbol. So for example, here's 1, the number symbol, the number name, and there's 1 Mickey. Here's a big Mickey. For our next one, here's 2, number name, 2, number symbol, just like that. And we have 1, 2 cars. For 3, number name, 3, number symbol, just like this guy. And on the back, we have 1, 2, 3 Mousecatools. Here we have the number name, 4, the number symbol for 4, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Plutos. For 5, number name 5, number symbol 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mickey and Pluto in an airplane. Last but not least, we have the number name 6, the number symbol 6, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why did we use 1 through 6 instead of like 1 through 10 or 1 through 5 like normal? The reason being is that when you use dice, there's 6 sides to a dice. And on each side, there's this handy dandy thing that's universal, which means it's the same for all dice. is that there's the same pattern for each number. So by going 1 through 6, it's a great start. So now that we know 1, there's 1 dot. We have 1, 2 dots, so that's number 2, which relates to the number symbol 2. So when you were talking about 2, you got to think, 2, what number quantity goes with the number symbol 2? 1, 2, just like that. And you continue all the way around until you reach 6, just like we did with our green triangle, our 1, 2 snap cubes, our 1, 2, 3 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4 blue cubes, our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 red and yellow circles. Where did our 5 go? Or our 6. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. So by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm now correlating that this number symbol goes along with this quantity. And that's how you count 6 to 6.